Huh, that's what you do.
I will carry.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he is nagtampo talaga. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Good morning, Philippines!
Hello, good morning. It's time to loto tayo. Breakfast time. Ang lutuin ko guys is corned beef yung binili natin kahapon. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Good morning. So yun, mag-corned beef Argentina po tayo in the morning. And tayo ng kanin. My husband woke up early. Usually he's still in bed. He's still laying down some. No.
Sometimes I'm up before that.
Yeah, but you are back to sleeping. After when you get up, doon siya sa computer, guys. Early in the morning because he has like thousands of emails. Since he started his email address, he never deleted nothing. So now, he cannot receive email.
I can.
You can now?
Yeah, but I'm trying to clear all this crap out of here.
Yeah, he's trying to delete the bad thing. You know, junkie. You receive a lot of like junkie every day. So me, I always do it, delete every day. Makabuntis na. So guys, tapos na akong nagluto. Kausap ko din yung kapatid ko. Kinausap ko lang sila. Sabi niya, yung bunso namin daw may girlfriend na. Sabi ko, ha? Bawal yung girlfriend. Girlfriend na yan. Nanonood siya ng news, pero not paying attention. Nag-edit ako sobrang aga. And then, ngayon, sabi ko, ay, ang aga natin nag-laptop. Maganda yung init kapag umaga. So, yung ayun, si Tami, andun si Tami sa loob. Hindi pa siya tapos sa ginawa niya. Yung siya ng delete ng mga email. Ang dami kasi. Hello! Ngayon guys, tapos na akong naligo. Nagpula tayo ngayon. Gusto kong kakain ng kaunti kasi hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero, hindi naman, I think wala man itong plano. I think wala siyang plano. Gusto mong talagang alis ng asawa ko. Ewan ko. Ang plano sana ngayong araw is washing ng sasakyan doon sa sa driveway. Yung sasakyan niya nag-iba yung utak. Sabi pa niya alis tayo. So ngayon, hindi ko alam kung kakain ba ako or hindi kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung patutunguhan itong lakad or saan or ano. Hello guys, why is it, did I turn it on? Maybe it's low bat. Anyway guys, we get a package. I'm gonna do it.
It'll be a little bit. Didn't you just change the battery?
We're going out, so I get the package for my camera tripod, and the same thing with the GoPro. And yes, so I got it today. I don't have the bok choy. I ordered the bok choy with this. I don't have it. Tomorrow probably I'll have it. And today is supposedly Tommy's plan. He said, "Let's go out, Han. I'll bring you somewhere." And I'm the one who's driving. Let's go joyride. Joyride. I'm the driver.
That's the joy part.
he's going to enjoy, not me.
Right. More joy if you're driving.
He said, let's go. I thought we're going to date. He's gonna bring me to a date. No, he's gonna joyride. way. Because it's a joyride. So this
Where are you gonna do some sightseeing?
yeah, sightseeing. So this thing is there's no map, nothing. I'm just gonna drive and let him enjoy the ride. Joyride. So what is that all about the thing? So the previous owner of our house didn't have the
Of course they filed permits. The health department's full of shit.
permits is different than health department. So akala ko talaga guys, ilabas ako nito. Ako pala ang maglabas sa kanya. Tingin-tingin lang daw siya, kaluka man ito eh. Akala ko makakain na ako nito ng lobster. Hindi pala ka. Hindi pala kahan.
Population
Big
40,
property.
43 people in this town.
43 people?
That's the population of the town.
43.
So right on the sign.
43 people?
Right.
I wanna be
So
part
one
of the
family.
45, 46. How many families is that? Would be like 40 or 30 or 25 with the kids.
They each got 3 kids. That's 5 per family. So what would that make? 8 families?
Holy shit, hala, nice ano? Nice one.
Yeah.
Would you forgive me? 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 Would you forgive me, love? Would you forgive me?
We are back. Finally, we're back. And yung buhok ko, ginoo ko, Lord, ang kapal. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa scenery. May nakita kaming lugar. Meron akong kitang lugar na alala ko noon. So, sabi ko, mag-turn nga tayo dito. Yun yung nakita ninyo na ano. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng tanawin, ganun. Saka yung asawa ko is nag-go-term, ganun. Gusto niya ng hotdog, so lutuan natin. Kasi nakapas kami ng may tinda-tinda ng hotdog. Sabi ba niya, oy hotdog, oy ice cream, oy pizza. Yun yung mga kaganapan guys. Makauwi na tayo. So, you said, oh my god. Careful with your head. Pero hindi masaya sa joyride. Ako na nga yung guard. Akala ko kakain kami sa labas. Okay lang yun, guys. Oy, nag-enjoy naman ako din. Nag-enjoy naman ako sa joyride. So, ito yung in-order ko, guys. Ito siya. Okay, let's put the, ilagay ko kayo dito. Yeah! Mayroon na tayong tripod. My tripod. Pad.
Joker?
Oh my God. Hindi ko na ito kailangan. Ito yung ginagamit ko, sugar container. So, look, Han. the same product from the GoPro. Tayo. Sabi pa ni Tami, wala na daw salad. Sabi ko, I feel like having salad with chicken. Kasi sobrang healthy. So, ngayon, lubat na pala tayo. Mag-change battery tayo. Mag-harvest tayo ng salad, guys. Where are you, baby? I'm gonna harvest this because I wanna cut all this already. And get rid of it and put a new baby. Roxy, just keep crying. Sana sa Pilipinas, no, pag makauwi na ako dun, pag yung titira na talaga doon, yung may mga salad na ganito, litos ba? I think, meron bang mga litos dyan, guys, sa tindahan? Or kahit seedling, para ikaw na lang yung magtinda. Kailangan mo talaga siyang tubigan, kasi ang init sa Pinas, kahit gabi. Kahit gabi, sobrang init. Dito, hindi siya mainit magabi. Maganda yung temperature dito paggabi. Kapag marami na tayong cucumber, tomato, and yan, magbigay tayo sa kapitbahay. Yan, tapos na siya. And, yun. Hello, yung cellphone ko. Sabi pa ni Tami, ano ng oras? It's 5:23. Nagyaya ng aalis daw kami. Sabi ko, wag na tayong aalis kasi hindi ko feel. At saka dinner soon. Magpa-carwash daw siya. Gusto niya akong sumama. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Doon, nagtampururot. Kapag gusto mo. Are you still mad? Are you still mad?
I'm not mad.
Why are you saying I'm mad?
I'm not mad.
Yes, you are.
No.
You told me if I need something, you get it quick.
I told you the way it is. Tell you the truth is not mad, it's truth. Doesn't
No.
make it mad.
You like telling me that I will only do if I want something.
Yes.
Sorry, Opa.
Oh, the hidden camera, huh? Really? Seriously?
Nagtampo, guys. Now I agree with you because you kind of like tampururot.
No, that's all I'm saying.
You're tampururot. Is it crybaby? Even though it's garbage, you cannot throw anything. See?
They're on the way. Take it easy. Huh, that's what you do.
I will carry it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he is nagtampo talaga. Nagtampo. Doon may tampo-tampo. Nagtampo talaga. Kasi sinabihan ko siya na, sabi niya, bili daw siya ng chicken. Sabi ko, wag na kasi kasi naggumawa daw ako ng salad. So, kailangan daw niya mag-grill ng chicken. Late na, guys. It's 5:30 na. So, sabi ko, wag na. Sabi niya, uy, punta tayo. Wag, hindi bukas. Sabi ko, bukas na. Sabi niya, uy, bukas magpunta ako sa punta tayo sa New Rochelle kasi kailangan mag-pack. So, hakot na naman konti. So, sabi ko, say, doon na lang tayo mag-grocery. Doon sa ShopRite doon kasi sobrang ganda kasi doon mag-grocery. Sabi niya, kapag sabi ko mag-grocery, sabihin mo bukas na. Ganun. Nagtampo talaga, parang nagtampo. Samahan ko kasi kahit natatakot ako magsama dahil sa sasakyan baka masira, and then doon maista kami doon, and takot ako talaga. So, sabi ko, samahan ko na lang siya para talaga hindi magtampo. Just keep going, follow the...
Fuck that antenna pretty good though.
I'm so proud of him. I'm so, come here, baby. I'm so, come. I ride now with his car. He fixed. It sounds good. Look over there. It sounds good, guys, and I feel safe now because it doesn't do or shiki or change the tune of the noise of the car. Everything is nice and safe now. So I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of him. He is so good. Look, we don't spend $1,000+ $. Kasi guys, right honey, if you went to, how much he charge you if you go to
Well, everybody I looked up said it was $900 to $1,000.
$900 to $1,000 when you look up how much the price to fix that thing. So I was kind of like, oh my god, you're fixing it, you never did it before, la la la. I kind of like hopeless when he kind of like fixed it, and then he get upset he can't fix it, and then we try to drive it, it's like shaky and shit. So I was thinking, he can't do it, he cannot drive this car, and he don't give up. He don't give up. Look at that. I'm so proud of you.
Never give up. That's the rule. Got it?
What are you drinking now? Okay, now Dada's back. Okay, nahan, enough nahan. He's back. You're so cute. Spoiled mo na. Oy, Dodo loves you so much. You are too cute too. You too cute mo na. Okay, guys. I'm going to end this vlog. So, I'm going to end the vlog. We're gonna end the vlog. Are we gonna end the vlog, little boy?
Night, guys.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Some people have a monkey on their back. Look at Hobbs on my
Tommy
back.
have a cat. Good night. We will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hey, guys.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.
So come on.